The perception of evil of birth, death, old age and disease is a symptom of knowledge. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Amanitvam, Madambhitvam, Mahimsa, Kshantirarjavam, Acharyopasanam, Shaucham, Sthiryam, Atmavinigraha, Indriyartheshu Vairagyam, Anahankara Evacha, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkhadoshaanudarshanam, Asaktir Anabhishvanga, Putradara Grahadishu, Nityam cha Samachittatvam, Ishtanishtopapatishu, Mai Chananya Yogena, Bhaktir Avyabhicharini, Viviktadesha Sevitvam, Aratir Janasamsadi, Adhyatma Jnana Nityatvam, Tattva Jnanartha Darshanam, Etagyanam iti Proktam, Magyanam Yad Atonyatha. See, Krishna is listing down all the symptoms of knowledge: humility, pridelessness, non-violence, tolerance, simplicity, approaching a bona fide spiritual master, cleanliness, steadiness, self-control, renunciation of the objects of sense gratification, absence of false ego, the perception of the evil of birth, death, old age and disease, detachment, freedom from entanglement with children, wife, home and the rest, even-mindedness amid pleasant and unpleasant events, constant and unalloyed devotion to me, aspiring to live in a solitary place, detachment from the general mass of people, accepting the importance of self-realization, and philosophical search for the absolute truth. All these are declared to be knowledge, and besides this, whatever there may be, is ignorance. So, in other words, to have this, what is that? The perception of evil of birth, death, old age and disease. This is a symptom of knowledge. The perception of evil of birth, death, old age and disease is a symptom of knowledge. That means a person who is ignorant cannot even see that birth, death, old age and disease are problems of life. He tries to just brush aside these problems by constructing hospitals and making business out of it. The more hospitals they open, they think it is a charitable work. But we should understand that by opening more hospitals, that means more and more people are getting sick. That is the indication. By more hospitals means it indicates that more and more people are getting sick. That means it's not a good sign. If more people are healthy, there is no need of a hospital. Of course, it's not that there is no need of hospital. Hospital is needed because that is the miseries of this world. Actually, you can see in the hospital, all the four miseries are visible: birth, death, old age, disease. In hospital is like a concentrated material world. Old age home is there. So the people suffering from old age home, they are quarantined there. The general mass of people, all people whom they see, young people, all masti. In Hindi they say masti. Just simply enjoy life, party. The old age home will be somewhere corner hiding. The misery is they try to hide away and they try to paint a nice picture of this material world. But if we go to the hospital, then we will see all the four. Birth is there, death is there, old age is there, disease is there. All sufferings. But still, you see, the Maya is so powerful that the doctor who is operating also, he also thinks he is doing he's enjoying life. He's having good fat salary. Every day he's seeing birth, death, old age and disease. But he has no sense of thinking, I will also one day, of course everybody knows we will die. But they think it is somewhere in the distant future. No, not now. When it comes that time, let's see. Why should we be scared from now on? Let's enjoy now. So in this way, everybody is ignorant, even though educated. In fact, in all these symptoms, humility, pridelessness, non-violence, tolerance, none of these symptoms are visible in a modern education. Modern educated person has none of these symptoms, not even a single one. And Krishna is saying, in the last part of this, all these are declared to be knowledge, and besides this, whatever there may be is ignorance. So these things, if they are visible, that is knowledge. But these things are not visible in modern education system, modern society. The same fear, the same miseries that the animals are going through, the humans are also going through same thing. Nothing different. Hare Krishna.